Hi everyone, this is Ursula. Sometimes when you get in the habit of recording things for one purpose, you come across something else. Well, this is something I'm calling accidental wisdom. So, we left the cooler outside by accident, and what happened was it became a water barrel, a rain barrel, or whatever you want to call it. And we did it with both coolers, and the first time I didn't pay attention to what really had happened, and it was a little cleaner water. But this now is great water for watering my indoor plants that more often than not get tap water. Well, now this is rainwater, and I think they like it better. And what's also really good about it is because the lid is on it, we don't get a lot of mosquitoes from there either. And I just watched something on YouTube about dunking your plants before bringing them inside so that you don't bring critters in with them. And I figured, well, if I dedicate one of these coolers just for that purpose, then I can dunk my plants before they come inside and bring hitchhikers like bugs and whatever. Um, just thought I'd share my accidental wisdom. Okay.